Health experts report 408 new coronavirus cases in the Kansas City metro. Case numbers are trending downward, though experts point out that these numbers can be influenced by the lower amount of testing being done. 11 new deaths are also being reported across our 9-county area. The average number of daily new hospitalizations is holding steady at 98. Well, no one wants negative side effects from the coronavirus vaccine, but if you don't get any, well, does that mean that your shot even worked? It is a question doctors at the University of Kansas Health System took on today. Infectious disease Dr. Dana Hawkinson says that there is no connection between vaccine side effects and the amount of immunity you develop.
I would say no. If you did not get any side effects or adverse problems, shoulder pain, fatigue, aches, then I think you are one of the lucky ones and you're doing good. But there's no evidence that you are not mounting an immune response or don't have that boost response. So I would not worry about that aspect of it.
Well, the doctors on the panel say there's evidence that side effects vary based on the manufacturer. Well, people who have gotten the Pfizer vaccine tend to have a delayed response, maybe 24 hours before side effects start, while people who get the Moderna shot tend to see the side effects the day they get vaccinated. Well, meanwhile, counties in Kansas will soon get vaccine shipments specifically earmarked for K-12 teachers and staffers. Governor Laura Kelly says that the state will also give schools free rapid testing supplies. It's all part of a plan to fully reopen schools safely.
I'm very enthusiastic getting this program up, running, and over so that we can get our schools open full-time, all the time for our kids.
Well, Kansas is getting substantially more vaccine doses than before. Governor Kelly says that 4 weeks ago, the state was getting 45,000 doses a week. Last week it was 90,000 and it should be 115,000 soon. Well, that's on top of the federal pharmacy partnership not included in the count. Well, meanwhile, the top teachers in Missouri are pushing to get the vaccine access. In a letter to the state's health director, the recipients of Missouri's Teachers of the Year Award are pressing Dr. Randall Williams to let teachers and support staff get their vaccinations now. 3 of those teachers say that they've been infected with the virus, most likely from exposures at school. Well, it's not until the state's next tier, the teachers, faculty, and staffers in schools will get vaccinated. That might not begin until April at the earliest. And as the demand for vaccine rises, so does the practice of something called vaccine tourism. Well, that's when someone goes to another state to get their shots. Right now, some 3.5 million people qualify for the vaccine in both Kansas and Missouri. State line, it can be tricky because sometimes your primary care provider is in a different state, or maybe your employer is in a different state and offers a vaccination clinic. Well, health experts say that more vaccines are expected soon.
You need to be patient. I think most of us that are in this see this starting to open up here fairly quickly.
Doctors at Truman Medical Center say that rather than wait on hold, you can sign up online and have the health system call you and schedule your vaccination appointments. And the City of Lee Summit is out with a new vaccine website. It lets you stay up to date on vaccine events, general information, and frequently asked questions. You can find the new site at cityofls.net/coronavirus/vaccine. And the blood shortage in Kansas City continues, and this week winter weather has only made things worse. But as KBC9's Matt Evans reports, there is a way you can help.
This week's winter weather meant fewer people were getting out to donate blood, that only adding to a blood shortage that we've seen in Kansas City since March of 2020 when the pandemic began. Fewer people were donating blood then, and the supply just has not recovered, which is why the Community Blood Center is holding a community-wide blood drive today here at the T-Mobile Center in downtown Kansas City. They're using this arena, this larger space, so they can get more donors in and help spread people out and still follow those distancing protocols. The blood drive is happening now until 4 o'clock this afternoon, and blood donors will be tested for COVID-19 antibodies. If you have those antibodies, the plasma from your blood will go to help those fighting COVID-19 in hospitals across Kansas City right now. You can sign up by calling the number on your screen or by going to the Community Blood Center's website, savealifenow.org. Registration is not required for this blood drive, but it is highly suggested. They'll take walk-ins throughout the rest of the day today, but they'll only take those walk-ins as long as there is enough space. And of course, as we know, a lot more space is required with those distancing protocols in place here. In downtown Kansas City, Matt Evans, KBC9 News.